Ladyfinger, also known as okra, is not just a versatile ingredient in various cuisines, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. Today, we'll uncover why this humble vegetable deserves a prime spot on your plate. First, let's dive into its nutritional profile. Ladyfinger is low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. A 100 gram serving contains 33 calories, 3.2 grams of dietary fiber, 2 grams of protein, vitamins like A, C, and K, minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These qualities make it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet. Ladyfinger is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in healthy digestion. The soluble fiber in okra helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation. Additionally, the mucilage, a gel-like substance found in okra, can soothe the digestive tract, making it a natural remedy for stomach discomfort. If you're managing blood sugar levels, Ladyfinger can be a helpful ally. Studies suggest that the fiber in okra slows the absorption of sugar in the intestines, preventing sudden spikes in blood glucose. Its antioxidant properties further support overall metabolic health. Heart health is another area where Ladyfinger shines. The potassium in okra helps regulate blood pressure, while its fiber content reduces bad cholesterol levels. Together, these factors lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Did you know Ladyfinger isn't just good for your body, but also your beauty? The high levels of vitamins A and C contribute to glowing skin by promoting collagen production. For your hair, okra's mucilage can be used as a natural conditioner, leaving it soft and shiny. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in okra work together to boost your immune system. Regular consumption can help the body fend off infections and reduce inflammation. For expectant mothers, okra is a great choice. It's rich in folate, which is essential for fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects. Combined with other prenatal nutrients, it supports a healthy pregnancy journey. So, whether you enjoy it stir-fried, grilled, or in a hearty stew, Ladyfinger is more than just a tasty vegetable. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be explored. Why not add it to your next meal and experience the difference it can make? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.